Okay. So, isang vlog tayo ulit, no? Quick vlog lang, no? About, in relation to Krisha's Kitchen. Nung una, sinabi ko sa inyo na Krisha's Kitchen would be able to help you make your low-carb journey a little bit, alam na, medyo satisfying, hindi depriving. So, that being said, no? In this vlog, I'm going to briefly, casually share their products, no? So, para alam nyo kung more or less you have an idea kung ano yung mga produkto nila, no? Na pwede sa strict low carb, pwede sa pwede sa technical low carb at casual low carb. Definitely, I doubt, no, if they have a product na talagang pwede strictly, no, sa low carb. Kasi as far as I know, no, hindi naman sila nagbebenta ng meat, egg, seafood lang, no, na puro. Okay? So, I doubt if there is a strict low carb na produkto. But definitely, there are a lot of, most of their products are technical, no? Pwede. At casual or conditional. Okay? So, let's basically run down. They have about 40, no? About 40 products, no? And I'll be saying it from high carb to low carb. So, the only high carb that I saw na meron sila, which is not technical low carb, no, is yung parang Dubai Ek-Ek nila, yung sikat na Dubai chocolate Ek-Ek, no, globally. So, they call it Dubai Pistachio Valrhona Chocolate Cake. No, it's under their high carb brand, which is Sugar Delights. So, it's high carb. So, it's not for people who do LCIF, no, na technical, pero pwede siya in a way maipasok sa inyong low carb meal if marunong kayo mag-compute ng carbs. Okay? But for people who are avoiding high carb, avoid tong Dubai Pistachio or pistachio. Okay? Because it's high carb. As for the other products, no, unahin ko yung low carb muna. No? Sa low carb, so meron silang isang high carb, at meron silang 20 na low carb, okay? And then meron silang 19 na mid carb, meaning it's not low, it's not high, nasa gitna lang siya. So again, 1 high carb, 20 low carb, and then 19 na mid carb, no? So, yung low carb muna yung sasabihin ko. So sa low carb products, meron silang yung vanilla frozen brazo de Mercedes, that's low carb. So kung gusto niyo yon, you can try it out. So, ube frozen brazo de Mercedes, another low carb product. Tiramisu, another low carb product. Macadamia Sans Rival, both small and large, meron silang meron silang sizes. Creme brulee cake, brazo de Mercedes roll, pistachio or pistachio Sylvanas, cream cheese, brownies. So, beef caldereta keto meal, no, kung gusto niyo ng savory. Pork adobo keto meal, chicken curry keto meal, Salisbury steak keto meal, chicken inasal keto meal, and then dry shirataki rice, dry shirataki noodles, low carb loaf bread, low carb pandesal, low carb hot dog buns, and low carb burger buns. Okay? So these are so far, no, yung kanilang mga low carb items, no? Low carb products. As for the mid-carb naman, no, if you want to know, red velvet cake, no, queso tres leches, pistachio or pistachio crunch mousse cake, moist chocolate cake, cashew sans rival, large size, no, carrot walnut cake, yung kanilang cake sampler, box of 4 cakes, iba-iba ng mga cakes. Sampler siya, maliliit siya. Burnt Basque cheesecake, blueberry walnut cheesecake, cashew Sylvanias, pistachio or pistachio ice cream, ube ice cream, vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, strawberry ice cream, choco walnut cookies, keto cookie variant 1, keto cookie variant 2, so magkaibang cookies, and then Greek yogurt by Mad Zoom. So these are the mid-carb, no? Again, next time hihimayin ko siya isa-isa. So, maaaring yung low carb na sinabi ko dito mid carb pala, at maaaring yung mid carb low carb pala, no? So, hihimayin ko siya next time. But for now, it's the general rundown of the high carb, mid carb, and low carb. Okay? So, again, I'm inviting you, if you want to try the products, no, of Chris's Kitchen, bili na.